Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a stunning video for your brand using Hypergro's powerful URL to Ads feature on Truvy. To begin, simply paste the URL of the brand you'd like to generate a video for. In this demonstration, I'll be using Nike's website as the example. After a few seconds, Truvy will automatically generate a detailed summary extracted from the website link. This includes a brand summary, a compelling hook, the target audience, and suggested unique selling points. You can easily edit any of these elements, whether you want to tweak the summary, refine the hook, adjust the target audience, or update the USPs. I'm going ahead with this idea as it aligns well with the brand. In just a few seconds, Truvy prompts you to select the video duration. Options include 10, 15, 20, 35, and 45 seconds. For this demo, I'm choosing the 30-second format. After a short wait, Truvy generates a complete video script, including voiceover content, tailored to the brand and format you selected. If needed, you can edit the script, customize the messaging, or even add specific pointers you'd like to highlight. Just below the script, you'll find the option to choose a voiceover for your video. Truvy offers a variety of male and female voices, allowing you to pick the tone and style that best suits your content. Next, you'll select the video ratio. Truvy provides multiple aspect ratio options tailored for different platforms. So whether it's for Instagram, YouTube, or Stories, you can choose the format that fits your needs. Once you finalize the settings, Truvy presents a complete overview of your ad. This includes the summary, hook, target audience, USPs, and the script. Essentially a recap of all the inputs you've provided so far. At this stage, you also have the option to upload your own brand assets. To do this, simply enable the toggle, select the asset files, and upload them. Before generating the full-length video, Truvy will display the number of credits required. The credit cost depends on factors such as the video's duration and selected features. Once everything looks good, simply hit the Generate button, and Truvy will begin creating your video. Truvy now presents a scene-by-scene breakdown of the video before rendering the final version. This allows you to preview each clip and ensure everything looks right. You'll also notice that any assets you uploaded have been seamlessly integrated into the scenes. If you'd like to make changes to any part of the video, there's a Recreate option available. Just click on it, enter a prompt with your desired changes, and Truvy will regenerate that specific scene for you. As you can see, after regenerating the scene, Truvy delivered exactly what I had in mind, perfectly aligned with the prompt I provided. Now, by clicking on Generate, Truvy will begin rendering the full video, bringing all the scenes together into a complete high-quality ad. After a few minutes, the wait is over. Your final video is ready, and you can now preview it. If you'd like to make additional changes, just click on the Magic Edit option. This opens up Truvy's advanced editing tools, where you can fine-tune your video with elements like media, shapes, stickers, music, and more. Once you're happy with the edits, you can render the final version right from here. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy creating with Truvy!